Today guys, in this video I will show you how to remove content restrictions on Crunchyroll. So just you need to follow this video till the end. Go directly open your Crunchyroll. After that you just need to click here on account. So after this you will find this list of options. You should go to the second one, content restriction. So right now guys, to remove content restriction, just make sure that you're not doing this or this or this. You just have to click on age 18 and up, click like this. So when you click here you have to add your password. So right now I add my password. I will click continue. And that's all guys. You remove right now content restriction on your Crunchyroll. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.